Hey, I'm Prem, and this is LifeNavigator. It's a multimodal, multi agent decision coach that turns your complex choices into clear, stress free family decisions. It helps users move from uncertainty to action by combining structured analysis with emotional clarity. Now, this is the landing page. It starts by understanding your family context, goals, constraints, and priorities. For example, kids age. Let me start this. Location is to London, and say our budget is 1.2, and then you can adjust these priorities here. These priorities will shape every recommendation that the system makes at the end. So let's click on the start decision. So once you uh, submit, then the Life Navigator opens or creates a decision session tailored to your family. Um, Here you can input your decision question, describe what you are facing, for example, choosing between two areas to move to, and also you can input a voice input. So, for example, I'll just put we need a place which is closer to Merchant Taylor School, and the school commute should be no longer than 15 minutes by car in the morning peak hours. And then you choose some areas. For example, I'll choose few areas here. I'll list few areas that I am interested in. And then you can adjust the criteria and weights accordingly. For me, school commute currently is the topmost priority, so I'll add that, and I can give it a weight. I'll give it 1, and then let's say safety is another criteria that I'm looking at. It is also important, but a little less than school commute, and maybe I need a train station nearby, and I will give it a weight, let's say 8. And then when I hit generate, Life Navigator runs a multi-agent orchestrator. There is a data agent that gathers and organizes evidence. There's an emotional agent which captures your values, stresses, and risks. A scenario agent then generates decision paths and recommendations. And finally, there's an action agent which turns the selected path into an executable plan. So we'll see that in a moment. So yeah, here you can see we have got the structured guidance. This is the decision matrix. Life Navigator evaluates each option against the criteria that you had set and applies the weight that you chose. It gives you clear quantitative comparison, so you can see which option best aligns with your priorities. For example, here I can see Northwood, which has got the lowest commute time. The property prices are within budget. Safety wise, it's quite good. It has got a low crime rate, and the school quality is outstanding. And these are concrete scenarios. Now, instead of the abstract scores, Life Navigator sketches what life could actually feel like. For example, it could be the rhythm of mornings, the stress of daily commutes, quality of evenings with the kids, etc., etc. So here it lists all these scenarios. If when you click on one of the scenarios, it will give you a richer story. For example, it says here you move to Northwood, just a 9-minute drive from Merchant Taylor School. So mornings are calm with children arriving relaxed and ready to learn. And alongside this, there is the emotional landscape as well. This reflects the values, tensions, and emotional priorities that it saw in your complex choices that you were inputting, or the voice note that you used. It highlights what's pulling you in each direction, like stability, time, stress, opportunity, etc. So you can make decisions that feel right, not just look right on paper. Once this is done, you click on create action plan, and then it breaks down this decision into clear doable steps, from checking commute times to say compare rental listings. Some of these steps are no act friendly, and with just one click, Life Navigator will execute these workflows automatically. So it will save you hours of research and reduce the mental load. For example, here, confirm commute time to Mercantile School. From one of the postcodes in Northwood, you can just click on check, and here it shows from Green Lane, Northwood, and the commute time is 8 minutes. Same for, let's say, if you want to access the crime rates and check the safety of the area, you can just click on check. It will run the safety check workflow, and it will show you the results here. Similarly for the property prices. So yeah, that's Life Navigator. It blends multimodal reasoning, multi-agent reasoning, and the real UI automation to help families make confident, stress-free decisions. Thank you.